Hey everyone, welcome to our channel name, where we talk about everything personal finance, saving, and making the most out of your money. Today, we're diving into one of the most important financial habits you can develop, creating a personal budget. Budgeting doesn't have to be stressful or complicated. In fact, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple steps to create your own personal budget and start managing your money smarter. So let's get into it. Step 1 is all about knowing your income. You need to understand exactly how much money is coming in before you can figure out how much to spend. Start by listing all your sources of income. This could be your full-time job, freelance work, side hustles, or even passive income like investments or rental properties. Make sure to write down your after-tax income. For example, if you get a salary, look at your paycheck after deductions like taxes and health insurance. If you're self-employed, calculate your average monthly earnings after expenses and taxes. Once you've listed all your income sources, you'll know exactly how much money you have available each month. Now that you know how much money is coming in, let's talk about expenses, where your money goes every month. The easiest way to do this is to break your expenses into categories. Start with essentials like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. Then, look at your discretionary spending, things like eating out, entertainment, subscriptions, and shopping. There are 2 ways to track expenses. 1. Manually. You can use a pen and paper or a spreadsheet. This is great for people who like to get hands-on. 2. Apps. There are tons of apps that track your expenses for you. Apps like Mint or YNAB are popular for managing budgets. The goal here is to understand where your money is going so you can see what changes, if any, you need to make. Step 3 is where we get to the fun part, setting your financial goals. Now that you know your income and expenses, it's time to think about what you want to achieve with your money. Ask yourself, do I want to save for an emergency fund? Am I paying off debt? Do I have a big purchase coming up, like a car or a vacation? Am I saving for retirement? Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or paying off credit card debt, while long-term goals could be things like buying a house or saving for retirement. Whatever your goals are, make sure they're smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This step helps you understand where your money should be going in order to reach those goals. Now that we have all the pieces in place, it's time for step 4, creating your budget. The basic formula for a budget is simple. Income, expenses, equals savings extra money. You want your income to cover all your expenses, and ideally, you'll have money left over to put towards savings or financial goals. If your expenses are higher than your income, you'll need to cut back or find ways to earn more. One popular budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent, groceries, and utilities. 30% goes to wants like dining out and entertainment. 20% goes to savings or paying off debt. There are lots of different ways to budget, but the key is finding what works best for you. Whether it's the 50-30-20 rule or a custom plan you create, the important thing is to stick with it. Finally, step 5 is to monitor and adjust your budget regularly. Your financial situation can change from month to month, so it's important to review your budget often. You might get a raise, or maybe your utility bills go up. Either way, you'll want to adjust your budget to reflect those changes. Tracking your progress keeps you accountable, and over time, budgeting will become second nature. If you ever feel like you're slipping, don't worry, just get back on track and keep moving toward your goals. And that's it. You've now got the tools to create your own personal budget in just 5 simple steps. 1. Know your income. 2. Track your expenses. 3. Set financial goals. 4. Create your budget. 5. Monitor and adjust. Budgeting is a powerful habit that can help you take control of your finances and achieve your goals faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.